Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing tools and safety, torques and trim tools, a multimeter, and a soldering iron. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait about 2 minutes so capacitors and the ECU reset. This prevents shorts and airbag faults. Once done, gently pry trim with plastic tools and unscrew the Swift Dzire head unit. Keep screws organized. As you pull the unit, label and photograph each connector so you know which harness goes where. This prevents wiring errors during reinstallation. Next, you methodically diagnose the system. Inspect the head unit and vehicle fuses for the 12V constant and accessory circuits, because a blown fuse often mimics a dead unit. Use a multimeter to confirm 12V at pin connectors and test speaker continuity to find open coils or shorted wires. Once you locate damaged wires or poor solder joints, repair by crimping or soldering, then seal with heat shrink and tape. This restores reliable connections and prevents recurring faults. Finally, you reassemble in reverse order using your photos and labels to ensure correct connector placement. Tighten screws and replace trim so nothing rattles. Reconnect the negative battery, start the car, and verify the head unit boots, radio reception, Bluetooth pairing, steering wheel controls, and all speakers. Make sure to cycle accessory power to save settings. If something still misbehaves, try swapping one speaker at a time or using a bench power supply to isolate the fault. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.